Hi, I'm Kath Shaw Truelove, and I'm coming to you today from Bees on a Bicycle. Today we're going to talk about air plants and their need for water. Their natural habitat is the jungle. So this guy, which is an extra large one, would live on the side of a tree, for example, and so he would get lots of moisture coming down. If you've got air conditioning or dehumidifiers or heat in your home, most likely you need to supplement how much water they get. Now these guys aren't planted in soil per se. They get what they need from the air. And there's two ways that we do that. One is misting them. Hold on a second, I'll be right back. I forgot. This. So one way is to mist them, and I just use a simple mister, and I give them a good drink. And sometimes I lift them up and get them from the bottom, and so forth and so on. And so I do that pretty regularly. I do that here at Bees because I've got a fan that is constantly blowing, and it dries these guys out. Your house might be a little different. The other thing that I do is I get a nice shallow dish of water, and that's this. And about every week or so, when they're looking a little peakish, a little dry, I give them a good drink for a couple hours. I don't leave them there for a long time, but I give them a good drink like that, and I put them in there. I don't leave them in there for more than, let's say, 2.5 hours, because I don't want them to rot. They are used to just moisture falling down in the air in the rainforest, and so we don't want to give them too much water, and so you have to kind of play it by ear and pay attention to their needs. But anyway, that is the gist of how to water your air plants, and it's Kath Shaw Truelove coming from Bees on a Bicycle.